Hey there, welcome to this hands-on demo on the EBS Multi-Attach feature. In this video, we're going to explore how to use Amazon EBS volumes with Multi-Attach to share data between multiple EC2 instances. Ready to get started? Let's go. Step 1, clean up from previous session. Before we jump into the Multi-Attach demo, let's clean up from the last session. Detach the EBS volume. Navigate to Volumes under the EC2 dashboard. Find the volume attached to your previous instance, click Actions, and select Detach Volume. Delete the volume. Once detached, select the volume again, click Actions, and choose Delete Volume to remove it. Step 2. Create an EBS volume with Multi-Attach. For this demo, we'll be using an IO2 EBS volume because Multi-Attach is only supported on IO1 and IO2 volumes. Let's create it. Go to Volumes under the EC2 dashboard. Click Create Volume. Set the volume type to provisioned IOPS SSD IO2. This is optimized for high performance and supports multi-attach. Size, set it to 10 gigabytes. Availability zone, make sure it's in US East 2B. Multi-attach only works within the same availability zone. Enable multi-attach, check the box for multi-attach. Click Create Volume. Tag it for easy identification. Awesome! We've successfully created an EBS volume that supports multi-attach. Step 3. Launch the first EC2 instance. To use multi-attach, we need instances that support it. T2 instances don't support multi-attach, so we'll use a T3 medium instance. Go to Instances and click Launch Instance. Choose Ubuntu as the AMI. Select T3 Medium as the instance type. Network settings, make sure it's in the same availability zone, US East 2B, as your EBS volume. Complete the rest of the setup and click Launch Instance. Now, let's attach the EBS volume. Go to Volumes, select your My Multi-Attach EBS volume. Click Actions and choose Attach Volume. Select the newly launched EC2 instance. Click Attach. Perfect. The volume is now attached to our first instance. Step 4. Connect and configure the first instance. Let's SSH into our first instance to set up and test the volume. Go to Instances, select your instance, and click Connect. Follow the instructions to SSH into the instance. Once connected, confirm volume attachment, run, create a file system, format the volume with, create a mount directory, mount the volume, verify the mount, create a test file, confirm the file is written. You should see the message, "Hello from NVMe-backed EBS." Great! Our first instance is set up and writing data to the EBS volume. Step 5. Launch the second EC2 instance. Now, let's see multi-attach in action by sharing this volume with a second instance. Go to Instances and click Launch Instance. This time, select Amazon Linux as the AMI. Choose T3 Medium as the instance type. Make sure it's in the US East 2B availability zone, just like the first instance and the EBS volume. Complete the setup and click Launch Instance. Go to Volumes, select My Multi-Attach EBS. Click Actions and select Attach Volume. Select the second EC2 instance. Click Attach. Step 6. Connect and verify on the second instance. Let's SSH into the second instance to see if it can read the data from the first instance. Go to Instances, select the second instance, and click Connect. SSH into the instance as instructed. Once connected, confirm volume attachment. The volume should appear as an NVMe device. Make and mount the directory. Read the shared data. You should see "Hello from NVMe-backed EBS." And that's it. We've successfully shared data between two EC2 instances using the EBS Multi-Attach feature. In this demo, we created an IO2 EBS volume with multi-attach enabled, launched two T3 medium instances that support multi-attach, attached the same EBS volume to both instances, verified shared data between the instances. In the next video, we'll explore Amazon S3 object and storage. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next lesson.